Meaning of identification parade.
Identification parade.
Identification parade.
Identification parade.
Identification parade. An identification parade, also known as a lineup, is a police procedure used to help identify suspects in criminal investigations. Witnesses are shown a group of people, including the suspect and several decoys who resemble the suspect, through a one-way mirror or on a video screen. The witness is then asked to identify the perpetrator. The result of this procedure can be very important in determining whether charges will be brought against a suspect. If the witness identifies the suspect, it can be strong evidence against them. However, if the witness fails to identify anyone, it can also be valuable evidence for the defense.